So I have two really different answers for this question. The one I like is that it's been the community here. It's been the community this entire time. And it's not just the support of your peers and the lab mates that you would expect in a PhD program. It is everyone from the animal care technicians who recommend a nutrient supplement, and that changes the course of your study, or the engineers that you're chatting with while you're waiting on the autoclave. I really love the community that we have here, and it spans everyone: lunchroom, janitorial staff, phenomenal support. I'm a little biased because I met my husband here. So
Oh,
I obviously have strong ties to the community now. Um, One really monumental thing I'll never forget from my PhD work, though, is I'd spent the first couple years of my thesis working on designing a technology that could be used to longitudinally image cancer in a live animal over the course of progression. So we can put in a labeled tumor. This device that I created allows that animal to then be hitched up to a multiphoton microscope. So we'd spent a couple years designing this project. We got the funding to open a core facility for the multiphoton intravital microscope. And we had spent a very, very long week training with their engineers on really how to optimally set up, maintain, and really get the full value of this very, very cool piece of technology. And on the final day, we were gonna do a test run of the technology. We knew we probably had a few more months of optimization before we'd actually be able to see tumors growing in our mice. As soon as we got the animal anesthetized and hooked up to the microscope and flipped the switch for the lasers, it was beautiful green glowing tumor. You could see the vasculation and you could see all of the cells kind of mitigating in and out. And it was, we all cheered. All of the engineers from the company were there. Our research team was there. We're all cramped in a little dark room running these experiments, and it was applause and cheers and celebration. It was fantastic.